Hi, I'm Mike with Glover Customs out of Owasso, Oklahoma. Brought you my 2021 Ram 2500 Mega Cab. My 21 Ram has Addictive Desert Designs Bomber Series bumper. It's a brand new bumper that Addictive Desert Designs has out. We filled it with Rigid Radiance lights, along with the Rigid Radiance 360 series lights in the front of the bumper, along with the Rigid Radiance XL pods on the cowl. I chose to use the Nitto Ridge Grappler 37x22 tires, along with the Moto Metal 22-inch wheels for this build. The BDS 6-inch radius arm kit makes it very usable, have plenty of room for the wheels and tires. It also features the Fox dual stabilizer included with the BDS kit. The BDS kit is a very user-friendly kit. I use this truck for everything from daily driving to towing, massive towing. I towed a very large enclosed trailer from Owasso, Oklahoma, 1,300 miles to Las Vegas, Nevada, and then put this vehicle in the show. So this is by far the best riding kit. It's very user-friendly. I drive it every day. Very great kit. Coming around to the back of the truck, I also added Airlift 7500 XL springs, air springs to help with the towing capacity of this truck. Also added the Addictive Desert Designs lander rack with Rigid Radiance scene lights. Also has the Rigid chase bar on the back. And we have the Rigid Ignite lights for backup lights, along with the Addictive Desert Designs rear bomber bumper. I love this truck. It drives great. Best truck I've driven. If you are interested in lifting your truck, be sure to check out the guys at BDS. They'll take care of you and get you set up with everything you need.